Messenger keeps logging you out automatically? Here's how to fix the Messenger auto logout problem step by step. First, check your internet connection. Unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can force Messenger to log out. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and see if the problem stops. Next, open the App Store or Play Store and search for Messenger. If there's an update available, install it. Auto logout issues are very common on outdated versions. Now open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, scroll down and log out completely. Then log back into Facebook and Messenger and check again. If that didn't work, go to Settings, tap App Storage, then tap Messenger. Offload or delete the app, then reinstall it. This clears cached data and refreshes your login session. Finally, go to Settings, then tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect time settings can break Messenger sessions. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Messenger from logging you out.